Ahead of the upcoming TTAADC elections, a major campaign procession and street corner meeting were held in support of Esmel Tripura the BJP-nominated candidate for the 5-number Chawmanu TTAADC Constituency. A total of 199 voters from 96 families officially left Tipra motha, CPIM and joined the BJP. The newcomers were formally welcomed by 5-number Chawmanu TTAADC Constituency candidates Esmel Tripura, 49 Chawmanu MLA Sir Sambular Jakma and Paritos De Barma, along with other leaders. The march traversed various neighborhoods surrounding 5-number Chawmanu area before concluding with a street meeting in the heart of the market area. During the gathering, leaders urged the electorate to support their candidate to ensure the continued development of the hills. Reported by Tina from Chawmanu, Chini, Khorang.